I'm gonna show you how to create a GPT on ChatGPT in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it for more. So basically what a GPT is, it's a specifically trained bot or AI for any of your needs. So if you go here to the sidebar and go to explore GPTs, you will see there is a lot of people creating different GPTs. So for example, this is a personal AI tutor. You can use a video maker. There are thousands of GPT, and anyone can create yours. So for example, this is a GPT that will help you learning something hard. This is a astrology or lifestyle GPT. This is a fitness or workout. These ones will help you with programming, and you can create yours and even monetize it to get some money, because a lot of people here includes affiliate links or products to monetize those GPTs. For example, if you click, let's say, Canva or this one, you can see how many people. It has more than 11 million conversations. And if you add, let's say, a product right here, you make this AI to send a product or an affiliate link to their chats, it will convert those into sales and hopefully make some money. So to create yours, what you can do is go to new chat, go right here to the top right, customize ChatGPT, and you need to enter the custom instructions you would like your ChatGPT to know to provide better responses and how you would like that GPT to respond. Then you can also set some capabilities like web search, DALL-E, which is to generate images, code, canvas, or advanced voice, and then you can also enable it for new chats or not. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.